Have you walked through the aisles of an American supermarket lately? I had the experience several years ago of coming home from a 13-hour exhausting night shift on a cardiac unit, trying to find food for my busy family of 5 who, like 65 million Americans, have various allergies and intolerances to wheat, eggs, and dairy. It was aisle upon aisle of food that was void of nutrition, and there was almost nothing for us to eat. I founded Snacktivist Foods because of a lot of reasons, but mainly I was dedicated to bring quality back to the center of the grocery store and reclaim our lost culinary heritage when it comes to grains, cereals, and pulses. We believe that everyone should have access to wholesome, inclusive foods. Part of this dream requires innovation of old sectors and ancient technologies, such as agriculture and manufacturing. Instead of corn, nuts, and way too much rice, we've chosen to use ancient grains, which are amazing alternatives in a time of climate change and very challenging commodities markets. Snacktivist Foods is dedicated to bringing back these healthy grain-based foods to the American table, to restaurants, and around the world.